Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to delete all mails in Gmail at once with one click. So first of all, go on Gmail. Now what you have to do is go on the search bar and type in colon unread. Press enter. Now you have to select on this box right over here. Select all. After that, select all conversations that match this search. Click on it. Now all the mails which are unread will be deleted at once with one click. Now click on this delete button, click on it and click on OK. Now all the unread emails will be deleted after this. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.